Welcome back to Jay's Jeep and Classic Car channel. Today we're trying to start the engine after putting the head gasket in. Join me in the adventure. Well,
that's good.
Turns.
Yeah.
So we've already put water in, we flushed out the radiator, we took the old oil out, put new oil in, and so I think we're ready to try it out. We do have a leak up where that temperature sensor goes in. Know about that. It's not a big deal, but it does leak onto the starter right now. But I've got a new one, but there's no point in that unless the engine works and we don't have white smoke out. So we're hoping for no smoke. We're hoping the thing starts up, but who knows? I have no idea what to expect. So let's see what we get. Well, it's running. Whoa. At least for a minute it ran. Let's see what kind of, if we got any oil in the water. Alright, there is a little bit of oil in there. But that is what it looked like when I filled it up. So it may just be some residual oil that I tried to flush out everything, but I may not have gotten it all out. Let's see what we get.
That's a good chance.
Well.
Is that good?
No, it's not good because it's not running.
It's not moving?
Nope, it's not vrooming. So we gotta see if we're getting gas. Definitely rough sounding. Got some white smoke. That's not a good sign. So that's the smoke that's coming out. It's definitely white. So that may mean we have a bigger issue. And definitely it ain't running as smooth as it usually does. And this is with a little more gas in it. There's water. See that water coming out? That ain't good. Little milky right there. I don't know if you can see it or not. course, we got water shooting everywhere with the temperature sensor not working right. So we're going to drain this down a little bit. I think. It's draining pretty quick anyway. So the water on the bottom end is cold. The water leaking out of the top is hot. There's no oil in it though. That's a very good sign there. I'm wondering if that gasket wasn't good that I put in. Also makes me wonder if that thermostat's still good. That's in that head. So it's warm. So now this water's warm, which is draining down. Alright, well, we got it all wrapped up, and so we got some choices to make. Is it bad head gasket, or do I have a crack somewhere? I can either pull the engine and have it rebuilt and tear it apart and see what is wrong, or I can try to put a new head gasket on, or a different style head gasket on, and see if I have any better success. That's the cheapest option, but it could be a total waste of time and money to do so. So I'm not sure the best bet right now. I'm going to have to sleep on it for the night. Definitely frustrated by it. Not totally surprised by it, but definitely frustrated by it. And I'm kind of at that point where I just want to quit and be done with it. I don't really have the money to go buy a new engine. I really don't probably have the money to have it rebuilt. So that's where I'm at. And it's very frustrating to put all this time in and not be able to drive the thing. It's been, we're going on 3 years now that we've been working on this thing, and I can't get it going. And I'm starting to question my abilities. So that's where I'm at. But it'll probably be better in the morning. I'll tell myself that. It definitely did smooth out as it ran a little bit. It was rough at first and then it kind of smoothed out, so that was good. Just definitely pouring water out of the exhaust there, so tells me something didn't seal up there. And could very well be that head gasket I used wasn't any good, or was a used head gasket and I shouldn't have used it. So I don't know. I gotta think through it. So anyway, I guess y'all find out whenever the next episode's up on what we decide to do. But anyway, I appreciate y'all watching. Y'all take care. It's time for supper.